Hello everyone, I am Rakhi and today we are having a very good lesson. The topic of our lesson is about ignoring things. Ignoring is a downfall of the mind. When we ignore things, we might feel like we are losing our way. For example, early in the morning when you wake up, you have to go to your job, you have to go to work and sometimes go to unusual places than usual. But one day when you saw your child crying who tells you that they haven't been able to attend school, they explain that they are often scolded by the teacher and ask why you haven't paid their school fees. They express concern that you don't realize how their teacher are monitoring them and their progress at school. Uh, they tell you that they tell you this, but you chose to ignore that and prioritize your work. So at some point your child will lose interest in school because of facing disrespectful behavior from classmates. Every time he is asked to stand up in class and answer, what can that poor child say now? Because it is a duty of the parents to ensure the quality of education for their children in their recent times. Right from the beginning, take care of your family's need. I have mentioned several times too that you are the one responsible for your family. Now let's take another example. Suppose if you are given a list of groceries to buy and there are so many places near a house where you can get groceries, but you chose to return home empty-handed. Things won't go smoothly for your family. Your family will go hungry. Therefore, it's important not to ignore these responsibilities. Just like that, it's crucial not to overlook the importance of prioritizing your health. Neglecting your well-being can have serious consequences. So it's essential to prioritize your to make a priority of your health. You have to stay away from things that can harm you in order to stay healthy and youthful. Avoid mixing in with the wrong crowd as it can negatively impact your health from a very young age. So by following right norms and leading a healthy lifestyle, you can ensure your well-being from throughout for throughout your life. Now sometimes you have important tasks to complete and some files to prepare, but you chose to ignore that until the night before. But it's important to get a good night's sleep and prepare and wake up early in the morning to prepare and go to the office. Remember, adequate sleep is essential. If you delay the task, you may end up staying awake at night multiple times to meet the deadlines. This can disrupt your sleep schedule. So it's better to complete the task with the clear mind and a minimal stress. So you should know that you should not leave things for tomorrow. Also, I want to stress the importance of following the traffic rules. Uh, Please take these instructions seriously. Ignoring important matters can have serious consequences. So it's crucial to follow the rules especially every time the red light is present. Stay safe and be mindful of the regulations. So nowadays you have seen that obtaining credit is becoming riskier. You have to be extra careful and cautious whenever you are crossing a road. You need to be responsible for the things that belongs to you. Only then you can truly secure your future and become a reliable person. On the other hand, if you recklessly step in front of a fast moving vehicle, you could end up throwing everything away. In the same way, if it's important to tend to any leaks in your homes, we need to take care of our homes too. We need to prepare for the upcoming rainy seasons, and we shouldn't neglect maintenance during the summer. We need to prepare, we need to maintain our house at the area where the leaks are present and address the issues very promptly instead of waiting too long and letting things worse. There are so many representatives available to help. So don't ignore these things. At last, I would just want to say that ignoring things, you should not ignore things, as ignoring important matters can have serious consequences. Thank you.